Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this set right here. So this is autumn/fall cat eye goodness. I have been dying to get into the cat eye sets, and sorry, the autumn sets I should say. Also cat eye, I am loving cat eye at the moment. As you can see, I do have cat eye on my nails. But yeah, I'm dying to get into the autumn sets. It is my favorite time of year, favorite color tone, love everything about it. So starting off, I'm just going to show you the colors we're going to use today. So this is Semilac Bridesmaid Like You. And then we also have this cat eye here from Born Pretty. Just press pause on the video if you want to see the serial number on that. But as you can see, it is a gorgeous copper, bronzy, totally autumn type color. It is divine. So starting off, I'm going to do one coat of the cat eye colour, and I'm not going to pull any cat eye on the first coat. I'm just going to do one coat and cure it. And this is going to be on the index and the pinky fingers of this set. So if you wanted to use this as just a plain colour, you could. As you can see, it would just be a totally pretty metallic shimmer colour. It works as that as well if you really want to use it like that. And then we're going to go in for the middle finger and the ring finger. We're going to do a coat of Bridesmaid Like You from Semilac, and this is just a real dusty kind of a pink opaque colour. It's a great nude, and it's great as a base for French. If you like an opaque colour for your French, this is a really good one. So again, I'm just going to pop those in the lamp for a full cure. And I'm going to go in then with my second layer of cat eye, and this time is where I'm going to pull the cat eye effect. So I'm just having a good play around with this. Wasn't too sure at the start what type of a cat eye I wanted to pull, and I just wanted to see how it worked and how it looked. So I am just playing around with it for a little bit, but then I'm kind of going to pull a thickish line that's just going to go down, not the center of the nail, but sideways down the lane. You'll see in a minute. I just wanted a thickish kind of a cat eye look, so you could see the sparkly parts of the glitter, and you could also see the brown undertones. So I'll just let you watch this for a few, and I'll be back in a second. So once I was happy with how the cat eyes looked, I went in with my lint-free wipe and I wiped off that dispersion layer with some alcohol. And I'm just going to go in and pop on these gold leaf stickers. So these are really pretty holographic gold leaf stickers, and I'm just going to pop them on the two full block cat eye nails. Now, if you see that sticker in the middle, going back, I wouldn't have put that one there because I think it actually kind of took away a little bit from that cat eye. I think that the sticker at the top of the nail and the sticker at the bottom of the nail were just enough. They were perfect. And that's what I just went in and did then on the pinky. I just didn't bother putting one in the middle. So yeah, if I was going back, I would have just changed that part of it. But other than that, I was really happy with the little pop of gold coming through on those nails. And then I'm going to go in on the middle, and on the ring finger, I'm going to do a French tip with that cat eye. So again, I've wiped off the dispersion layer on the pink nails because it's so much easier to go in and paint your French when that sticky layer is gone. Just so much easier. If you haven't done that yet and you are having trouble with your French, just wipe off the sticky layer and it'll be much easier. So just going in with that cat eye again, I'm going to go in and do the French. Also just going to pull the same kind of cat eye that I did the last time, keeping the cat eye the same throughout. It's kind of uniform throughout the whole set. So I will be back for the next part of the design. I hope you're enjoying this so far. Let me know down below if you like autumn nail sets, what's your favorite season, and yeah, if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps, and I'll be back in a few. So next I'm just going to pull out my rhinestone nail art glue, and I am going to attach these charms here. So I did haul these a couple of months ago. I think I got them from AliExpress. So these are little small hibiscus flowers. They're not that small actually. These nails are quite long, but they're a good size. If you have short to medium nails, you can really work with these ones. They're so cute. Was really looking forward to using them, and I haven't used them yet, so I thought they went perfect with the colours in this nail set. So I just popped them on and cured for a full cure in the lamp, and then I'm going to go in with my Beetles top coat and top coat over absolutely everything. And yeah, I'm really happy with this. This is my first autumn nail set here on YouTube. I've been doing a few on my clients, but I haven't had time to get around to do any on YouTube yet, and I was so dying to do it, just to use some of my little autumnal nail art and pull everything out of the drawers to see what I had. So this is the first, and I am going to be doing a lot more between now and Halloween. So thank you so much if you made it this far into the video, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.